Kyotechs offer the D275-5D and 5B for S6D140E-5. We will review later. We will test for them. Okay, now we will connect to the inline later. We will use a star machine. Okay, and now don't know how to do for me. I can. Okay, firstly we will read 140E-5. Okay. Okay, this one is the error code. Okay, now we take the S6D140E-5. So we check for it. Okay. Okay, we see the data. Okay, we see outside. We see the waiting area. No bubble. This cooler liquid can get anti-garage inside. This is no water. Okay, and the switch. We see the error code have the engine oil pressure. We do not know it's the harness problem or the sensor problem. So we use the multimeter to check have the 5V or not. If they have the 5V, it means the ECU and harness is okay. If without 5V, it means the engine harness is a damage. Now we test is okay or not. If they have the 5V, we think it's a sensor problem. Okay, we see the okay. Okay, this one have the 5V. Have the 5V, it means the harness, no problem. Okay, we can hear again. Okay. Finish. Okay, the engine oil pressure, the 96.4 psi, and mean about the 6 kg, 6 bar. Yeah. Okay, 6 kg.